DJVU is a compression format for scanned books. It's like PDF, but smaller. Most PDF readers can't open it. You need a dedicated DJView viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the best free one. If you frequently deal with unusual DJVU file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The DJVU format is designed for scanned documents containing text and color images. It is characterized by high compression ratios and handles color images effectively using advanced wavelet-based compression. Supporting progressive loading and foreground separation, it is ideal for the online distribution of large digital documents. DJVU Files use advanced compression techniques, including wavelet-based image compression, to achieve smaller file sizes compared to other formats like TIFF or PDF, especially for scanned documents. The format supports features like progressive loading and background-foreground separation, making it suitable for online distribution of large documents. We recommend using JVU Libre by LizardTech to ensure proper reading of DJVU. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows can display the file, but detailed revision or formatting requires a document editor. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your DJVU file and click Open With. Test DJVU Libre if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If your DJVU file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this DJVU file is failing to load. First, use DJVU Viewer. Open the file using a dedicated DJVU viewer, e.g. WinDjView, SumatraPDF, or a web browser plugin. Next, check encoding. If the document appears garbled, ensure the viewer supports the specific compression method used in the file. Finally, convert to PDF. Use an online converter or a utility tool to convert the DJVU file to PDF. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.